funny bunnies! Subscribe now!
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. I'm playing hide and seek with my teddy bear. He's hiding, and I'm seeking. First, I cover my eyes like this. And then I count to 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. I can't see him anywhere. Where is he? Oh, can you help me find him? All right. Where's that teddy? Do you see him? You do? Over here? Oh, up here? He's hard to find. How about here? Oh, there he is. We found him. Thanks for helping. Okay, Teddy. Now I hide and you seek. 1, 2, 3. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.